Hey guys, Flight Sim Jammer here. The ButtKicker simulation kit just showed up. I am so excited. I talked to the guys there and told them that I would give them a full, truthful review on what I think about their products. So as you can see, here it is. And we will jump right into it. So hang on, here we go. All right. Here we go, doing it together. So exciting. Oh, look at this. All right. Hey, that is packaged really nice. Look at that. Got a few bags of stuff in here. Don't know what any of it is so far, but because I've never had one of these before. But we will go over everything and see what we have. But I'll slowly pull it out so you can see it. This here is the ButtKicker Mini. Feel what you've been missing. That I am completely ecstatic about this. It says in this box is one ButtKicker Mini Concert. It's 5 to 200 hertz frequency response, 2 ohm impedance, 50 watt minimum, 250 watt maximum. My goodness. That's amazing. Since here, let's just check this out, huh? Wow, look at that. That has got some weight to it, my goodness. Oh, look at that. Yep. Couple mounting tabs there. I'm wondering if those other things that we had before are spacers, but we'll read to make sure. Yeah, that is well built. Whatever it is made out of, besides the, aluminum and metal here, but you can tell it's very well built. So we will set this to the side. This looks like some cables here. Yep. Looks to be the audio cables to hook everything up with. Some zip ties to tie the wires back. Alright. Alright. So let's continue on here. Looks like we have the product guide. This is obviously the ButtKicker simulation kit. Comes with everything you need except for nuts and bolts to mount this guy here, which is the ButtKicker Mini Concert. It says in here to make sure that you mount it, otherwise you'll have some rattling. We don't want rattling. And it uses 1/4 screws or nuts and bolts. So alright, here we go. Let's check this guy out. It's in there pretty well, so we're gonna slowly let it come down. And get it turned over here. ButtKicker Power Amplifier. Bravo Kilo Alpha 130 Charlie. Have the instructions here, or the owner's manual. We'll go over this when we do the install video. We have the remote. It is a wired remote, plugs in. you have your intensity up and down and power button. On this side here, we have the power cable that goes to the amplifier. And this guy here, this guy's to the side, and pull it out. Well, look at that, there's the amplifier. Right here, the remote gets plugged in. So it looks like you can run it without the remote as well. You have your volume buttons here. I'll have the remote up by the seat. Signal and clip, your high pass filter, a low filter cutoff. 40 hertz down here is your really low sounds, and 160. Yep, 160 hertz there is your higher up stuff like clicks of doors and that kind of stuff. You have a power button on the front of this guy here. On the back, we have where your plug-in goes, the master power switch, and your input and outputs for line leveling, and Class 2 wiring speaker level outputs. Alright. This also feels extremely well built. I'm thinking that it works kind of like an equalizer or an amplifier for a car and kind of boosts those sounds, except that you don't have a speaker. You have the mini concert, and not sure exactly the science behind it, but I think it takes those vibrations or the sound waves and just puts them through that instead of through a voice coil for a speaker. Well, there you have it. That was everything in the box. You actually get quite a bit. I have to run and get some 1/4-20 bolts, nuts and bolts, so we can mount it. And stay tuned. I will have it set up and ready in the sim here shortly. There you have it, guys. That was the unboxing video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and click the like button. You guys have a great day, and remember, land safely.